The idea of converting all of your old fluorescent lighting to LED can be overwhelming, especially when you're comparing upfront fixture replacement cost versus just living with what you have and replacing the bulbs with LED tubes. Lithonia Lighting realized there was an opportunity to give customers the best of both worlds. What if we could design a conversion kit for existing fixtures that would be as quick and as easy to install as LED tubes, but gave the refreshed appearance and all the lighting performance and energy savings of a brand new fixture? That's why 6 years ago, we created Relight products that allowed customers to upgrade to LED without needing full fixture replacement and the time and mess and disruption that can come with a full renovation. The first Relight kits in the portfolio, LED-wise, are still the heartbeat. BLTR and VTLR give two options to upgrade your recessed fluorescent lighting to LED without removing the host fixture. These two Relight options come in all the sizes and configurations available in the BLT and the VTL solutions, and even offer embedded in-light lighting controls, both wired and wireless, for further energy savings and future-proofing. So think about it this way. In a renovation project where you're replacing fixtures, a contractor is typically going to estimate about 30 minutes of labor for every light fixture. That's because they have to completely remove the old fixture, and a lot of times there's a lot of cleanup involved with that. Plus they have to take that fixture, get it out of the building, scrap it in a dumpster, and haul it away somewhere. With a Relight kit, all of that labor goes away. It's a 5-minute installation into the existing fluorescent fixture housing. So you're not moving ceiling tiles, you're not creating a mess, and you're not disposing of that old fluorescent fixture housing. So it's a huge savings from a labor, from a cleanup, and from a disruption standpoint. The BLTR and VTLR Relight kits have naturally become a go-to for schools, for military bases, healthcare facilities, and high-traffic retail stores where disrupting the flow of business is not an option, and being as green as possible is paramount. And to top it off, users in these spaces now have better quality of light to perform their tasks post-renovation. Relight kits are a win-win for everyone. So remember, if you want the aesthetics and configurability of the industry-leading BLT or the spec-grade VTL, but you need to move quicker and save a bit more, don't just retrofit. Relight with BLTR and VTLR for real ROI.